Key to the triangular parting is to work in horizontal rows. Actually, rows are already horizontal, so then part the row diagonally for individual twists. I always do my long-term any protective style on moisturized hair. So here I'm just using water and shea butter. The thing is, it's too short. Okay, it's not too short, but it's short. If I was to fold this braiding hair in half, that would be the length, which is not... I want long braids, I want long twists, so this is a bit too short. Basically what I'm going to do to achieve the length that I want is to slightly overlap the ends like this. Then that way I have all of that length to work with. Does that make sense? I hope so. That's how it looks like. This is the overlapping point. So that's a bit of this one and this is a bit of that one. Because I want them to be long and thick twists, I'm going to be using 2 per side, like so. So basically 4 braiding pieces in one jumbo twist. And then just the same way I'm going to overlap the ends slightly like so, and then I have that to work with. Yeah, okay, so let's start braiding. So once I've firmly gripped my roots, I twist the rest of the hair loosely to make sure it's chunky. Once again, work in rows and part diagonally. So I got to the top of my head and was running out of braiding hair, so I decided to do cornrows instead. I had to do the parting off camera because it's literally an extreme sport. Finally, is it really a hairstyle if you don't got these? So guys, that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Honestly, I'm obsessed. Can't you tell? Anyway, yeah, so it really turned out really nicely. Even with, you know, not enough braids, I made it work. I love them so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't, I'll see you guys in the next one.